Well, good morning. This is Dr. R.S. Maurya. We are here opening of small talk. Opening of small talk. So, small talk, I just told you, it is a friendly conversation between two people who do not know each other very well. But it is a preliminary talk. Say, it is a preliminary talk, casual talk, and it is free from confusion and controversy. And in nature, it is a universal and a pleasant, and it is for strengthening the social bond, social personal bond. If you meet someone and talk to someone, so that is natural phenomena. And the Malon-Vasky, who coined this word, small talk, is called small talk is a social skill. So it is social skill. So guys, we are going to have the chapter how we open conversation. So opening conversation leads to some known faces, some unknown faces, and some expected faces. So we can meet this kind of people. Some strange people are there, some are known but we have not met for a long time, some are completely unknown, and some we may expect that he is coming to see. So different sorts of people are there. So as I told you that since we are strangers, and we can take certain starter point, and among the starter point, I told you that starter point is number one, weather. We can talk about weather, regarding different kinds of weather may be there, and the kind of weather that we may expect is what kind of weather? All sorts of weather. We can talk about weather. So, just say, what's a beautiful day? What's a beautiful day? You just so that is one way. Or you are meeting someone in the morning. What a rosy morning! What a rosy morning! Beautiful morning. And sometimes weather is not clear, so I think it may rain. So if you talk to a stranger like this, they may definitely reply yes or no, or what they think about. And if it is very hot, as a जैसा कि अभी है, तो हम कह सकते हैं इट्स बॉइलिंग हॉट, इट इज़ बॉइलिंग हॉट, या इट इज़ बेकिंग हॉट आउटसाइड, इजंट इट इज़ बेकिंग हॉट. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि इट इज़ फ्रीजिंग आउटसाइड, व्हेन इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड इट्स फ्रीजिंग आउटसाइड, इजंट. तो हम इनको वेदर से बात कर सकते हैं, वेदर के रेफरेंस में बात कर सकते हैं. The English people generally, usually they check weather every morning before they set out for work. They check weather because their weather is unpredictable. कभी बारिश हो सकता है, कभी धूप हो सकता है. You go to the hill areas. I have been to Nagaland. Every time we used to carry umbrella. And every time we have to put up warm cloth. Sometimes it is very cold. So their weather is unpredictable. So people, you can talk the people regarding weather, and also you can talk about the food. Food is one thing that could you tell me a good restaurant where we can have lunch? Could you tell me the restaurant where we can have lunch? आप पूछ सकते हैं किसी से, और कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. डू यू लाइक इटालियन फूड? डू यू लाइक थाई फूड? आर यू वेजिटेरियन? आर यू like Chinese food? These days Chinese, Italian pizza is very famous. Chinese food, of course, in India, everyone is having Chinese food, good noodles and all things, Thai food. Like that. Could you go to the, could you go for the South Indian food? Yes, you can just ask, do you like South Indian food? Dosa, idli, sambar, something like this. Or do you like pizza? Pizza is also very famous in India nowadays. Pizza, the best. So, you through the starter point maybe food, weather, and also starter point maybe traveling. However, you can ask, how about your Durga Puja holidays? Where are you going in Durga Puja holidays? Are you going somewhere? So, do you go to Madras? Are you willing to go Madras? Are you willing to go similar? Like this, you can ask. Do you love sightseeing? Do you love sightseeing? What do you like? So you can go in that way. And then weather, food, traveling, all working together, sometimes mix, provide us food for starting a conversation with the strange people. So with this we can start. And then again, now we come to the people who are not strangers but known faces meeting after long time. तो आप जैसे बहुत दिन के बाद मिल रहे हो तो आप बोलोगे ओ लॉन्ग टाइम, ओ लॉन्ग टाइम नॉट सी, ओ लॉन्ग टाइम नॉट सी. तो ओ लॉन्ग टाइम नॉट सी ब्रदर, ओ लॉन्ग टाइम नॉट सीन ब्रदर, ऐसे आप कह सकते हो. तो आफ्टर एजेस, सीन आफ्टर एजेस, बहुत दिन के बाद मिल रहे हो. तो then you can talk. We had beautiful days that and we had sweet memories, and how our teachers were there, how our classmates were there. You can just talk, and then we can start. That may be also a starting point. And sometimes it happens that people to whom you meet, they are strangers. तो आप कह सकते हो it's my first time coming to Varanasi, it's my first time coming to Varanasi. I'm here for a seminar. It's my first time coming to Varanasi, I'm for seminar. Or I'm Kavita Kushwaha. So you can go in this way. Oh, you have not seen Banaras, very beautiful place. Just you can talk, and this can be also a starting point, opening point of talking. And if you meeting your old friend, so you may also talk like, last time when I saw you, you were writing a book, aren't you? Okay, हाँ आप लिख, last time में हम एक किताब लिखा. What about that book? Any development? Did you brought out it? Did you bring out it? तो पब्लिश हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? तो कहेगा पब्लिश हुआ, कैसा चल रहा? तो ऐसे कह सकते हो. या मान लीजिए वो सिचुएशन नहीं है तो दूसरे सिचुएशन में आ जाइए. You were working somewhere, I think you were that time I met, you were thinking of start a small business. Did you start? ऐसे. या भी ये कह सकते, आर यू वर्किंग इन द सेम कंपनी वेयर यू वर्क अर्लियर? तो दीज आर द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वेयर वी कुड स्टार्ट स्मॉल टॉक. So like this. So and then if someone is meeting after a long time, and then you know his parents, you can ask about, did you marry, did you have kids, where are your parents? Say my regards to your parents. Say my regards to your parents. अपने माता पिता को मेरा प्रणाम कहिएगा। तो इट इज़ और फिर आप जब जा रहे हो तो ज़्यादा देर तक बात नहीं करना, 2-3 मिनट बात किए और फिर बस स्टैंड पर मिले, आपको भी जाना है उनको भी जाना है, तो इट्स बेटर लेट यू गो। अच्छा चलो समय हो गया, इट्स बेटर लेट यू गो, इट्स बेटर लेट यू गो। आप जा रहे हो जाओ, और कैच यू अप अगेन, हम फिर से मिलेंगे, जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं अच्छा ठीक है कभी और मिलेंगे, तो इस लाइक दिस। तो दिस इज गाइस व्हाट आई से opening of small talk. We have lot of things in this chapter, because we are here, हम आपको ये क्या बता रहे हैं, बोलना बता रहे हैं, स्पोकन इंग्लिश बता रहे हैं, तो हमने वही सारी चीज़ें बताई। ये भी एक रिसर्च है, हम बड़े तह तक जाएंगे, कैसे बोला जाता है उसके पूरे सिस्टम में जाएंगे। एंड बट this is all for today. We shall meet you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Subscribe, comment. Thank you very much.